Have you ever felt sudden stress, happiness, or tiredness without knowing why? Why your mood changes, your energy drops, or your motivation disappears? The answer lies in a powerful system inside your body called endocrinology. In this video, we will break down endocrinology in the simplest way possible so you can understand how hormones control your thoughts, emotions, and daily life. What is endocrinology? Endocrinology is the study of hormones and how they affect your body. Hormones are chemical messengers that travel through your bloodstream. They control almost everything: mood, energy, growth, sleep, stress, motivation. Think of hormones as the silent controllers of your life. The endocrine system explained. Your body has a network called the endocrine system. It includes glands that release hormones directly into your blood. Main glands include the pituitary gland, the master gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, pancreas. Each gland has a specific role, but they all work together. The master controller, pituitary gland. The pituitary gland controls other glands. It tells your body when to grow, when to produce hormones, and how to respond. It acts like the CEO of your hormone system. Stress hormones, fight or flight. When you feel stressed, your body releases cortisol and adrenaline. This prepares you for action. Your heart beats faster, your focus sharpens. But too much stress can damage your body and mind. Happiness hormones. Your mood is controlled by key hormones like dopamine, motivation and reward, serotonin, mood stability, oxytocin, bonding, and trust. These chemicals shape how you feel every day. Thyroid and energy levels. Your thyroid controls your metabolism. If it's too slow, you feel tired and sluggish. If it's too fast, you feel anxious and restless. Balanced hormones equals balanced energy. Blood sugar and the pancreas. Your pancreas controls blood sugar using insulin. Stable sugar levels equals stable energy and focus. Unstable levels can lead to fatigue, mood swings, and cravings. Hormones and sleep. Your sleep cycle depends on melatonin. This hormone tells your body when to rest. Poor sleep equals hormonal imbalance, and hormonal imbalance equals poor sleep. It's a cycle. Hormones and emotions. Ever wondered why emotions feel so intense? That's hormones at work. Your feelings are not random, they are chemically influenced. Understanding this gives you control. What affects your hormones? Your lifestyle directly impacts your endocrine system. Stress, sleep quality, diet, physical activity, screen time. Small habits become big hormonal changes. How to balance your hormones naturally. You can improve your hormonal health by getting enough sleep, managing stress, eating whole foods, exercising regularly, taking breaks from screens. Consistency is the key. Endocrinology and daily life. Every second, hormones are shaping your behavior. Your energy, focus, mood, and decisions, all influenced by chemicals inside you. You are not just thinking, you are being guided by your hormones. Understanding endocrinology gives you power. When you control your habits, you influence your hormones. And when your hormones are balanced, your life becomes more stable, focused, and productive.